Alright guys, so this morning we're taking the 2020 Ram Limited Ecodiesel to get the ceramic coating done on the paint. What they do is they basically do a paint prep. They get the rail dust off, any imperfections in the paint, any, you know, even there's a little scratch on the fender that it had when it was new. I've got the touch-up paint for that. They'll fix those spots. They do the paint prep, and then they apply the ceramic coating. When they apply the ceramic coating, it basically is a little bit harder than the clear coat, so it'll prevent swirl marks, stuff like that. On a black truck, you know, it really helps you keep it clean. It makes it, I mean, you almost just have to rinse it off. It's hydrophobic, so nothing really sticks to it. It gives you a really slick surface. And on my previous video I did on my mega cab, you can see me pouring a bottle of water on the hood. It just sheds everything off, so that keeps the mineral deposits from the water, stuff like that, from attaching to the clear coat and then having to be buffed out. So it's a preventative. It does help with scratch. It resists scratches better than a clear coat. I mean, I'm not saying that it's gonna, you know, like armor proof it, but makes it a little bit more, it's a harder substance, I guess, than the clear coat. And so anyway, we're gonna drop it off this morning at AJ's Detailing here in Victoria. I'm gonna try to get those guys to shoot some photos of the process of putting it together, and I'll add them to this video, and then we'll do a finished product run through after I pick the truck back up, kind of go through some of the details on it and how it looks. On my mega cab, when they did it, man, when they did the paint prep, even it was a new truck, but when they did the paint prep on it and they got that thing, you could see the metallic flake in it just beautifully. And I actually talked to the previous owner, or the new owner of the mega cab that he bought it from. I mean, anyway, the guy that bought the truck from me, and he said, oh yeah, hands down, loves the ceramic coat. I only had it in the truck for maybe about 2 or 3 weeks after I applied it, so I didn't really get a chance to see how it, you know, performed. But he said he would definitely do it again. He said it's very easy to clean, and he said to get like that detail finish, and you can just go to the car wash for 5 minutes. So, and I also do the wheels, and I do the glass. And the glass, when they do it, it's like Rain-X. You don't even have to use your windshield wipers. When it's raining, you can see all the water, it hits the hood, it just beads. And if you hit the brakes, all the water just sheds right off the top of the hood. So anyway, it's enough talk about it. We'll drop it off this morning. Like I said, we'll try to get some of the process, get some photos of that up. Alright guys, so today picked the truck up from AJ's Detailing here in Victoria, Texas. They've done a great job. We got the ceramic coating done. They did the wheels. And the truck, and you can just see, even though it was a brand new truck, I mean, they had some paint correction to do on it. It just really brought out the metallic flake again. Like I said, I've got a video on my 3/4 ton that you can look at on my channel also. The truck looks really good. They got it really clean. They applied the ceramic coating to the bumpers, the glass, the paint, and the wheels. So again, like we did in the last video, we'll talk about hydrophobic. The this is what we're talking about. This bottle of water going down on the hood here. If you look, everything is beaded off of the truck. It does not stick. Whatever is there just bubbles, and I mean, you're talking about driving in the wind or hit the brakes, all of it just rolls off. So it's very resistant to hard water spots because the water actually won't bond to it. Again, I'd like to say thanks for watching the video. Please hit that like and subscribe down there in the bottom. Keeps these videos coming. Have a good day.